How to price match at Walmart using the app. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can price match at Walmart using the app. Well, to price match at Walmart using the app, what you can do is you can first open up Walmart application, and what you want to do is here you want to find the option to scan the particular item for its. So you can see at the search Walmart option here at the top, let me focus it to you. There is a QR code scan option. Tap on it and now proceed to scan the particular item QR barcode for its price. And then you'll have to contact the manager of the store, of the particular store. And what you'll have to do is, if the price on the Walmart physical store is of that particular item is more than that mentioned on your particular walmart.com, then you will get the price match option. You'll be able to use that feature to get the discount. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.